Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from SweetStamper.com to show you exactly what's included in my Friendly Hello class by mail. So this bundle was free during Celebration with a $100 order, and I collected some of these in order to craft a class. So with this class, you do get the stamp set, you do get the paper, and this is a full package of 12 by 12 designer series paper. So let me show you the projects that you're going to get the prepared supplies for and the PDF tutorials for. So I created this simple little sampler, and this is a 9x9 frame. Does not include the frame, obviously. You're going to get your own frame, but I will give you the cardstock for this, as well as the die cut here, and then and the designer the cardstock here, and then you'll put your own designer series paper down. And again, you will get your PDF tutorial for all of this. Then you're also going to get a set of basic white note cards and elegant faceted gems and your linen thread. Now notice you're going to use those items here on your bird, your focal point there. Then you're also going to create a set of cards. Now this little box, you're going to get all the tutorial for this, and you'll get the cardstock here. The rest is going to be your designer series paper. So this little box that I've designed is super easy to make, and it's really a fun way to gift your cards. So this is the little hat, as it were, and then you pop that off, and here are the cards that you're going to be making. So your cards, you'll have all of your die cuts are done for you, and your die cuts are your cardstock pieces here, die cut and cardstock. And see, you're going to be using your gems and your thread throughout. Now, I've kept my colors to a minimum in the sense that they're coordinating with the designer series paper, but you don't need tons of ink colors in order to make the cards. Now, I do have a second option included in the class. If you want to gift your cards with one of our acetate boxes, this set of 6 cards fits very nicely in here. And although these boxes are actually made for our traditional size cards, not the note cards, these fit very nicely. And then I'm also including a piece of this ribbon that you can wrap around here very nicely. And that makes a great way to gift your cards as well. Well, that's not the way it goes, but you know what I mean. I took it off to show the box. So again, you have 2 box options. This one you'll make again and again. You have enough paper that you can make this box again and again. And I hope that you will consider my Friendly Hello card class by mail. It's $42. It does actually include your shipping. So that's everything included. And this is actually going to end up shipping by priority mail because of the weight of the stamp set and the size of the paper and everything. So that is Friendly Hello card, and well, it's a class by mail because it includes your home decor piece as well as your set of cards and your boxes, all for $42. And again, that does include your stamps and paper. Thanks so much for your consideration. Remember, these are while supplies last. Thank you so much, and God bless.